AP Studio Art, 2D Design, the Principles of Design. 2D design encompasses a range of media and platforms including illustration, photography, advertising, interior design, and digital art. What is 2D design? Design refers to the adaptation of means to an end. It is the coordination of parts to produce a whole. It is about visual organization. Types of 2D art. There's representational, where you can identify objects, and non-representational, or abstract. The principles of design. There are unity, emphasis and contrast, scale and proportion, balance, rhythm and repetition. The first principle, unity, is about an integrated image where the parts of the whole look like they belong together and the elements are harmonious. There is unity through repetition, unity through the grid, unity through similar shapes. The second principle is emphasis and contrast. Emphasis is when one area dominates over the rest. Emphasis is when there is a focal point which the eye gravitates towards first. There is emphasis by contrast, emphasis by isolation, and emphasis by placement. The third principle, scale and proportion, refers to size. Large scale and small scale are referenced to each other. Size measured against other elements is proportion. There is large versus small scale, and scale in context to what is around it. The fourth principle is balance. Balance is about the equal distribution of visual weight on either side of a vertical axis. Asymmetrical balance is that even if the parts are not perfectly balanced, there is harmony in the composition. Symmetrical balance is when both sides are nearly equal in appearance, or if the image were cut into half, there would be two equal parts. Radial symmetry is when balance is achieved from the center out. The fifth principle is rhythm. Rhythm is when movement or direction is created through recurrent motifs and is made up of patterns and repetition. There is rhythm using repetition and rhythm using pattern and sequence.